Hi everyone, welcome back to Fallout. I'm trying this again. I figured out that the bartender went after me last time because I hit one of his men. There's only 3 of these mercenaries that will come after me. But for the time being, I think I'm just gonna stand in the doorway and kind of bottleneck them into attacking me. See, because now this guy is right in the way of all these people, and these guys are going to come around back, so hopefully I can take care of this guy before... Okay, hit for 16 points. That's not bad. I got 23 left. If this doesn't work, then there is another quest that I remembered doing last time I played through. Dogmeat's going to take care of that chick. Any day now, bud. And actually, what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to use one of these stim packs here for 23 health. Now, I don't have enough to attack. And if I walk away, if I get away from the door, then they can all, both of them can come out. So I'm just going to... But if I stand here, then hopefully this guy hits his friend once. Where's Dogmeat going? He's going the long way. I wish I could speed it up a little bit. Okay, I guess we're switching rifles because I'm out of ammo. And then I'm going to go this way. So he has to use some of his AP getting to me. There's a fly that won't leave me alone, which sucks because it's the middle of winter. Oh, here comes Dogmeat. Coming back around the bend. Okay. Ouch, that hurt. Did it? That's good. Oh, he missed. You guys, I might be okay. Because now Dogmeat's here. I might not be alright. Yep. Yep, here we go.
Your bones are scraped clean by the desolate wind. Your vault will now...
Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to go do that other quest that I had ready. But first I have to go back to Shady Sands. Okay. Back to Shady Sands we go. Let's see what we fight along the way. Is it even if I'm able to like level up or something? Oh, I'm slowing down. Oh, there we go. Now I did figure out what the weird loading problem was that I was having. And that was... Okay, so let's go here. Oh, it's middle of the night. Okay, so let's get to the morning time. Okay, let's get to the afternoon time. There we go. And apparently I have to come down here and talk to... I don't remember if we met Tandy already. But we're about to get a mission to go rescue Tandy. No, not here. Oh, it's here. To find Aradesh. I think that's Aradesh.
Thank goodness you came. I am in desperate need of
There it is.
assistance. My daughter Tandy is missing. I do not know what to do.
Have you tried to save
My
her?
people are not skilled in this. Already 3 patrols have gone out to look, but none returned. Will you help me?
Who could have taken her?
Seth and I believe one of the raider clans is responsible. Retribution for our resistance to them. Take this spear. It was found where my daughter was last seen.
Let's
Please,
check it out.
talk to Seth. He knows much about these raiders. And Godspeed, Wanderer.
You got it. So now I gotta... Oh, there's a dude in the way. Move, peasant. That's literally his name. He's called a peasant. It says it in the bottom right here. You see a peasant. So now I gotta figure out from Seth where Tandy was taken to go and save her. Where are these raiders? Oh, my girl. Aradesh's daughter. So this is Seth's girlfriend, I guess? They're to the southeast. Please hurry. I don't know what they'll do to her. I'll get her back for you. Alright, let's go save Tandy. He said to the southeast, but I don't know if it's going to mark it. Maybe here? Oh. Oh, this is no problem. I don't want to waste that ammo. But we are getting to the point now that we are one-shotting the rats at least. Oh yeah, not a problem at all. There's 2 left. There's 1 left. Hello? There he is. And that's it. So that would be our random encounter. So what is here? Because that would be southeast, right? Yep, raiders. Oh, it's the cons. I remember this mission being incredibly hard because of how many are there are. Okay, so we're going to put the gun away as he has requested. And so there's Garl, the leader. I want you to set the girl free. Oh, I've come in peace to negotiate the release of Tandy. What do you offer for her release? I will give you something of equal value. Must be valuable indeed. Show me. 1 second. Okay. So it says here Tandy's worth 359, but online it says I need to offer $600 for her release. That'll do it, and I don't know how to use those. 440, how about the dynamite? 940. 740. $700. How much is a grenade worth? Okay. Now, I can always... 750, so if I take 1 back, 600 even. Offer, that's a good trade. Okay. We got Tandy. Okay, hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I tried to record during my boys' nap time and they're not having it. Alright, let's get Tandy back to Shady Sands.
We shall see. Okay. I
entire town is grateful to you for destroying the rad scorpions. He's like, please save Tandy. Hey, you remember that time that you killed all those rad scorpions for us? That's what matters to me right now. Okay, let's go talk to Erdesh.
I will be forever in your debt for your courage and bravery, Wanderer. Here is your reward.
Can I ask you a few more questions first?
What do you wish to know?
Well, can you tell me about the other towns around here?
Lies south of here, though there is little in the way of visitation. From stories, I'm certain there are cities south of that. Certainly. What do you wish to know?
What's going on around
Since you
here?
brought my Tandy back to me, things are quite fine. Until we meet
thanks,
again,
bye.
my friend.
Okay, so I got out of there with a peaceful resolution. And it looks like I got 900 experience for freeing Tandy. So, is that Tandy? Yeah, so let's go talk to Tandy. All right.
Hi. I was afraid that you were gone and I wasn't going to get a chance to thank you for rescuing me. Oh, that was great! Action, adventure! Anyway, if there's anything that I can do for you, you just ask.
How about a few
Sure,
more
I
questions?
guess. I've never been out of here, so I don't know what help I can be. So, what you need?
Have you heard any stories from down south?
The weirdest story I've heard is about the Death Claw. I heard a
Deathclaw?
tale from a traveler up from the south. He said the Deathclaw was a creature that killed people at night. He said no one can catch it because it can disappear like smoke. Not that I believe it, of course. Hi. I was afraid that you were gone. Sure, I guess. I've never been out of here, so I don't know what help I can be. The weirdest story I've heard. No problem. Anything else?
How do you like it here?
It's okay, I guess. I mean, it is home and all, but it's so boring. You know, I want to see the world.
Why don't you leave?
Leave? I wish. I don't know enough to leave alone, and no one else wants to go. And worst of all, my father says he would have a heart attack if something happened to me. Well,
Okay.
thanks for talking. We don't get many strangers here, so it's always good to talk to new people.
Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the map and go deal with my boys again. I'll be right back yet again. Alright, so I'm just gonna wander a little bit. I'm trying to level up so I can get my gun skill a little bit higher. Oh, here we go. Red scorpions. Oh. And now I don't have enough to hit him again. Dog meat hits hard. Ian hits both. And we're done. Aha, we have leveled. Let's go to character. Let's see here. Would what I have be considered a big gun, though? I think it would be a big gun, so we're just going to throw everything at it. Okay. And now we will go back to Junktown with our newfound confidence and see what we can do about those raiders.
I did not like that part when I thought I was on.
Dude, and they always left them on you too. Do you remember when I came home?
Sorry about the background noise.
Like they did it 3 different times and put new stickers on each time they did it.
Oh, got another random.
And I came home and my body was covered and my mom was like, "What the fuck?"
It's just a bunch of dogs? Oh, they're coyotes.
Yeah, you have your own bathroom.
Will they aggro me?
I remember
No?
there being a bathroom, but for some reason I do not remember a shower. I just remember a toilet.
So
I didn't have a shower in Phoenix.
there's nothing to see here then?
For like 2 days. I felt pretty grungy when I came home.
All right.
I wasn't in a presidential suite.
Casino. I think it was by the casino, yeah?
But I was also,
Yeah.
I wasn't allowed to take a shower either.
All right. Oh. Oh. And those guys are not here, so we're going to fast forward. Oh, I now have 112 days. I've wasted a lot of time. That's gonna be all right though, yeah. Just stop by for a drink and some entertainment. Not tonight. I have a headache.
I'm leaving Ron. I'm at Family Dollar today.
There we go. And if I'm being honest, I don't even remember why we're attacking these guys. I just remember that, oh, because they're going to harass the waitress if I don't take care of them. That's what it was. Oh. Okay, so this is best case scenario. Because now Dogmeat's in there with them. He just hit his buddy for 10 points. This guy can only punch me. She's going to meet up with Ian. And Dogmeat's going after her.
They suggest that you start.
So I'm going to try and hit this guy. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Things could not have gone better this time around. It's random and it's working. And now this guy's punching me. But Dogmeat and Ian will take care of her. Okay, let's... I don't have enough action points, so... And that should be it, I think. He has a knife and some armor. Is there more? Is that guy one of them? Got a 10mm and a sledgehammer. Okay. I know your mind, is what that guy just said over there in the corner. And she just had a knife. Okay. Well, I guess that was it. Thanks for the experience. Okay, 1 second while I look up what to do next. I believe we are off to the hub. Okay, give me just a sec.
He was behind the couch, and then I think he went outside.
Who's that? You talking about your cat?
Yeah, we're going out there.
Yeah, he fell asleep on my shoulder at like 9-ish.
Oh.
Okay, so it looks like we're... Okay, so it looks like we're off to the hub. And then after that, Necropolis. And Necropolis is where we are going to find what we're after. What's up?
I want to check the Amazon.
Oh, okay.
Oh, shoot. Are you using that?
It was, but it's fine.
Sorry.
Okay, so we're going in.
Where's your Amazon?
And it said... I usually just pull it down. It said to go to the Maltese Falcon. But I don't... Unless the Maltese Falcon is in a different part. See, Deputy Fry. Let's see what he has to say. What is this place? Welcome to the hub. You've reached the biggest city in the coast. Heck, maybe the biggest city in the world for all we know. Thought you were part of the caravan. Did you come in with them? No. That's surprising. It's been pretty rough out there, especially with the missing caravans, but you're safe now. Just stay away from the Maltese Falcon. They're a bunch of troublemakers. Decker and his crew. Who's Decker? He owns the Maltese Falcon and the merchant market, but I wouldn't associate with him if you want to stay out of trouble. He's nothing but a murdering animal, but the sheriff won't let me arrest him without proof. Do you know where I could find a water chip? My vault's chip malfunctioned. We need another immediately. Never heard of one. It has to do with water, though. You should talk to the water merchants. Their headquarters are located further south past the downtown area. I wish I could offer to give him the proof that he needs to arrest that guy. Go to the Maltese Falcon. If gambling is above 50, is it? 48%. Okay. So that's out until I level up. Talk to the dealer by the roulette tables and hold down 1 and 4 buttons on your keyboard for about 10 minutes. You can start with as little money as 100 caps, and when you come back, you should have several tens of thousands. With gambling really high, it's possible to win 30,000 caps in a couple of minutes. Well, we'll give it a shot. I'll probably end up cutting that part out, but I mean, cool. General store, Crimson Caravan, Fargo Traders, police, guns. I don't see the Maltese Falcon. You see a sign. Friendly lending company. Okay, so let's see. I don't know where. There I am. Maybe the Maltese Falcon is over here somewhere. Oh, there it is. So you say go to the roulette tables. Okay, is it this guy? A roulette dealer. Go to which one? Go to the dealer by the roulette tables. Hold down the 1 and 4 buttons. Oh, wow. Okay, so I will be back when I'm going to let this run out for a little bit. Actually, let me... Let me see what my caps are now. 2,000 caps. Okay. Alright. I'll be right back.
You're trying to make your lines too long.
Okay, so I just held it down for about 30 seconds. And I'm up to 4,000 caps. So that's a neat little trick. So I'm just going to keep doing that for a little bit longer. Okay, so I'm almost done doing what I'm doing here. Apparently, the whole point of being here at the hub is to get up enough money to buy stuff to get ready to go to Necropolis. So let's see what my... I should be at like 10,000 by now. 10,000 gold, or 10,000 caps. So I think that's plenty. So now I was told to go to the general store where I can get a bunch of stim packs. And then east of town there's a weapons dealer. I'd like to buy something. What is that? A Geiger counter? That could be helpful. Mentats. Motion sensor. That's what I was after. Big Book of Science. Dean's Electronics. First Aid Book. Scout Handbook. Psycho. Super Stim Pack. I'll take all your rope. Nuka-Cola. I'll take all of that. A radio. Radaway, I'll take all of that. Flamethrower fuel, but I don't have a flamethrower yet. A tool. Well, it could be handy later. Some pliers, why not? Psycho I don't want, but I'm going to take all of his advancement books. Big Book of Science. Motion sensor, Geiger counter, and all 27 stim packs for $4,000. Alright. $41.05, so I need $109. Okay, looks like we're going to be in great shape after all of this. And if I need more money, it says I can always just go back and keep doing what I was doing. Because there's nothing that ever says that I need to stop doing that, or like they'll offer. Nice. Okay. Hi, kitty. I got a kitty at my feet. Okay, so now let's go into our inventory. And I got 29 stim packs. And then with these, I haven't... Yes, okay. So that's it. Okay. Now it said go to the east of town here. Where am I? There I am. So go to the east of town as there's a gun trader over here. Loading only. So let's try and find this gun trader. See a skag? I don't know what that is. Okay, hang on. Okay, so it just says in one of the buildings I'll find a weapons dealer. So I'm just going to start checking until I find a weapons dealer. Skag. Arms dealer, that's the guy. High prices, good guns. I'd like to make a deal with you. Oh, he's got stim packs. I want that. Explosive rocket. Flamer. Hunting rifle. What does it say to get for Ian? 44 for Ian. It said to get the sniper rifle for myself. And the ammo for the sniper rifle, which is the 223. She sell. And then it says get the 44 for Ian. 14. 44 Deagle. And what ammo does the Deagle use? 44 mag. I guess that makes sense. So I need 44 Magnum. Okay. 49. So let's start with like getting rid of all of these because I don't need those. There's 223, so I have plenty of that. BBs, don't need those. I don't think I need the flares. So 44, 5 rocks. Oh. No!
And that anything smaller than like half an inch.
Alright everybody, a cat just closed my game, so I'm going to have to go back, redo all of that, and then I'll come back in the next episode, so I'll see you then. I hope you had a good time watching. If you did, leave a like on it. Thanks for coming. I will see you next time, and until next time, bye!